Hello, good morning. Not good morning, good afternoon. So, today I'm going to, it is already open because I remember that 3 weeks back when I was celebrating my birthday, some of my friends were here and they opened this. Uh, how I got this product? But just by filling the survey, and at last they provided me two product. One this is another for the um, measuring the weight. No. So body weight. So this one, let's see. Oh, why I'm interested today to look what is inside this in this packet. Why? It is due to my pant. Because I see there is a hole, not in this one, not in this one, because but in another point, this one, oh, this fallen on the floor. Okay, so this one, because I see here, you see the hole, big hole. This is also has the hole. All the pockets are of my pant have the hole, and I have to repair it because otherwise I cannot carry anything inside this pocket. All the coins and all the things, there is risk. So it. So let's see. This is for the repairing. I remember that my mother was having a big one at home, and she was using the hand like this and sewing all the clothes. And now the technology is advancing, so I'm sure this will have, because the size is very small, you see, and from where it comes, I see. This is sent from Valencia. I live in Spain, so this is sent from Valencia to my city. Okay, so let's have a look. You see, this is the machine. In Spanish, máquina de coser, and máquina de coser, sewing machine, from Home Basic, portátil, fácil, easy to use. This is, you can see what is written here. I don't know whether you can read or not, because okay, so it's written everything here. We'll open then, and where made in from mini sewing machine, mini máquina de costura, mini máquina da cucire, machine a coudre mini, máquina de coser mini, mini sewing machine. Okay, from where, nothing written from where it is fabricated. Nothing written. I don't see. Made in from where? Whatever. I'm going to open. Let's see. So this is the machine. So small. Very small machine. My mother, I'm sure she is going to surprise when she will see such a small machine. So she will surprise that so much technology is advancing. Okay, so this is the booklet manual, instruction manual. Manual de usuario, where it is written everything, how to use it. It needs the battery also. Yeah, because I see the signs of the battery here, so I'm sure it needs battery also. Okay, let's see in English user guide. Please read this operation instruction and pay careful attention to avoid damage from improper. Okay, part, well, description, what we need, accessory set, we need needle, threader, screwdriver, bobbin. Okay, so we need all these things. Okay, so let's see. You see, so this is, I think, where, let's see the parts, different parts, which is written here. Then we'll this is volante. Okay, but this is, all the things are written in Spanish. I have to look where I can put the battery. Battery will be here, this place. Yeah, I can see here now. So the battery should be here in this part. Oh, this is very delicate. Oh, I don't want to break. Okay, so I have to insert 4 batteries here, because there is four, and quite interesting. We can see here 1 2 3 4 4 battery I have to insert there. Once I inserted the battery, then I think then this part will be for the starting this, I think. Let's see where to start. Yeah, this one for starting. I think after, no, this will be like this. Now I understand. This one, I start, then close, start, close, and this will be for the speed, as much I understand. Okay, this is for the speed. Yeah, this is for the speed. This is for the speed. So the company is Home Basic. I'm going to search a link. I'm going to look on the internet to know more about how I can use it. And even I'm going to look what is the price, because I don't know the price. So, and also I will look, means I will try to find more information and more detail about this, and that information I will write in the description section. And after when I will start to use this, then I will make another video. That video also means how to use it. That video also I will write in the description. A link I will write. After few days, I will write whether I'm happy with this machine or not. After 1 week, again after 1 month, after 2 months, after 6 months, after 1 year, means whatever problem I will face, I will write in the description. Okay, I face this problem, and it's like a review, but review not only one time, means continuously. If whatever problem I'm facing, I continuously am going to write in the description. So if you want to purchase, or if you want to know more information about this machine, so look in the description section, and from there you can find more information about this. Okay, so so let's see whether I can repair my pant or not. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to read the description, okay, the section of this video. Read it and find more information. Thank you. Bye bye.